Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Annie. So today we are going to do a general reading for Cancer for the month of July. In this reading we will see the general overall energy for the month, so the key challenges or obstacles you might face, actions and advice for you, what are your strengths and opportunities you might get, and what is the outcome. At the end we will also take an angel and ancestors guidance for you to see how you can deal with the situation in the month of July. So watch till the end. As I said, this is a general reading. Please take what resonates and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. Alright, let's see what do the cards have for you, Cancer, for the month of July. Overall energy for the month of July for Cancer. Overall energy for the month of July for Cancer. Alright. What is the obstacle? What are the obstacles or challenge that you might face or already facing for Cancer? Alright, take that. Okay. What is the action or advice for you? What is happening? Why my cards are falling off, Cancer? Okay, what is the action or advice for you here? What is the action or advice for you here? What is happening, my dear? What is happening? Huh? Alright. Action and advice for you. What is the action and advice for you? Okay. What are the strengths and opportunities you have? What are the strengths and opportunities you have for the month of July? Do you want me to take both? Alright, I will take both. And what is the outcome? What is the outcome? What is the outcome for Cancer for the month of July? What is the outcome for the month of July for Cancer? What is the outcome for the month of July for Cancer? What is happening, my dear? See, I'm not able to shuffle also. What is happening? See? This never happened till now. None of my readings. Alright, last shuffle. Outcome for Cancer. It's a star card. I won't show it on the video, but I will read the message, okay? Okay, so the overall energy is somewhere you are facing this, this feeling you are having of lack of love, lack of emotional connection, lack of emotional support in your life. For some of you, I don't know, I'm feeling it strongly. Very few of you, if you are a single mother, you are also, having this feeling of, lack of love, emotional support or emotional connection, which a person gets from a partner or from family or from elder ones. So you are somewhere, feeling that lack of love and emotional connection in your life. Overall energies, this is what I'm seeing. And for others, like in general, it's like the same. But for those who are single mothers and dealing with this situation, you are kind of emotionally feeling drained, and you are like kind of very pure, your intentions are pure, your love is pure, but you are not getting that pure emotional connection from somebody or from the outside or the people around, and that is what you are kind of looking for. Okay, all right, let's see. The key challenges or obstacles are, I see some of you, even if you are in a in a family, or even if you have everything, you are somewhere not happy with whatever you have. And for some of you, you are kind of struggling that why I don't have this family, why I don't get I am, it's like, you know, looking for that love, for that happiness, for that feeling, that togetherness, a family kind of thing, and you are kind of focusing on that, why I'm not having this, what the other person is having. Maybe in some of you, for some of you, very few of you, that you are looking at your friend circle around, or the people around who are having everything, like, you know, a complete family, and you are somewhere lacking that feeling in you. You're like, why I can't have it, why I don't have it, when will I have it? You know, there is so much so much energy of not having or not getting what you're actually looking for. For some of you, even if you're financially well, settled, you're not happy with whatever kind of connections you are having in your life. That is what also I feel for a few of you. Okay, the action or advice here is to communicate. Okay, don't let this feeling of lack or not availability uh, get too heavy on you. Okay, so once if it gets too heavy on you, you might, you know, speak in a way which may hurt other people around you. Okay, so you have to, you know, avoid this situation where you may be very, you know, blunt in your communication, very brutal in your communication, which might hurt the feeling of other person. Even if you do not have an intention to hurt the person, it may hurt by the way you communicate or express whatever you are going through or whatever you're feeling in your head, right? So try to communicate in a very loving and polite manner, in a very mature manner, instead of just, you know, just speaking out whatever is coming to your mind. Don't do that. Think twice before you speak. Okay, because the words create so much of deep impact on the people's mind and heart that even if you apologize later on, it may not completely heal that wound. Okay, so just try to be very careful in whatever you are going to communicate or whatever action you are planning to take. Just take a step back, think through it, and then take an action or communicate. Okay, so that is what I am feeling here, Cancer. Now the strength and opportunities is, something is, you know, ending here. I feel the death is not actual the death here, it's the end of a certain situation. Maybe when a thing which is not working in your favor, gets over, it will give you so much of clarity to see things from a different perspective, from a new in a new way, with a new clarity, right? So that you can move ahead and take action which will help you to grow ahead or move ahead in your life, right? So something is definitely ending. This has come in the strength card. So it's like strength and the death. It's like something will end which will give you so much of clarity to move ahead with, to achieve or to do what you're looking for in your life. Maybe for most of you, I feel this emotional connection, right? This lack which you are feeling, maybe if something which is not giving you that emotional fulfillment is coming to an end, and with that end you will also change your perspective of, focusing on lack. Rather, you need to start focusing on what you have and be grateful for what you have. Okay, and you need to change your perspective of seeing things to make it better, because the star card is a moving ahead energy, right? It will give you so much of clarity that you will see things from a different angle, and you will start working towards what is, working towards your goal with so much of clarity and peace. Okay, so it's like once this situation is over, whatever is causing you that stuck feeling or lack feeling, once you have the clarity over it, once you know what is working and what you need to focus on and what is not working and you need to let it go, once you have that clarity, you will be much, it will be much easy for you to move ahead in your life. Okay, so just see what is not serving you anymore in your work, in your relations, and see if how you can deal with that particular emotion or that block and move ahead. All right, let's see what is the message from the angels and ancestors for you, Cancer. That is why my cards were falling off, right? Because there is so much of feeling of lack of emotional, that love, emotional support, care, nurturing thing. Because your heart is heavy. That's what the energies I was getting, I believe. What is the message from the angels and ancestors for Cancer? Okay, lady, see, enjoy growth and reap rewards. So, whatever you are thinking is not working in your favor, you need to focus, change your perspective of seeing things and work. This is actually the star card, that you need to work towards your growth and get the fruits for your own work, for your hard work. Okay, so you will definitely get what you're looking for, but you need to work towards it. Okay, just sitting in one place and not taking any action will not make things happen, right? So just try to see what is not what is stopping you from your growth, and try to work on it and move ahead towards your goal. Yeah, so that's the reading, guys. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.